Alright, I'm going to show you 525 Juliet Hotel. It's a van's RV8A. Very nice paint. The builder or whoever originally painted it, obviously, or built it, did a nice job or spent quite a bit of money to get a real nice paint job like this. Show you the interior. I'm doing this inside this big hangar because it's really windy outside today. So interior is very nice, good shape. This is a fixed pitch propeller, and we'll splice together some video later on of it running and some flight time, and I'll get true airspeed so we know how fast this thing can go up at altitude. I've flown it quite a few times before. It is a nice aircraft and easy to fly, handles well, rigged well. So, yeah. Finish walking around it here, and then we'll do a little bit of flying.